Coming to part B in BEEE Unit 2 and 3, important questions we'll see now. Important topics which may come in external examination, university examination. What are the important topics? Let us see. Basic electronic circuits and instrumentation is the Unit 2 in part B, electronics. First, basic electronic circuit in the sense diodes. By using diodes we can construct rectifier. What are the rectifiers? Types. What are the rectifiers and types? Rectifiers is a device which converts AC to DC. You can rectifiers and power supplies. First topic is this is important, block diagram of DC power supply. The block diagram of DC power supply, that is DC RPS, DC regulated power supply. What are the various parts? You can see in block diagram a voltage regulator, a rectifier, a filter. All circuits will be block diagram. It will be, that is important, block diagram of DC power supply. What are the rectifiers and types? Rectifiers two types, half wave and full wave. Full wave bridge rectifier also there. Explain the full wave bridge rectifier with neat diagram, waveforms also, how the full wave bridge rectifier or how it works. Similarly, explain half wave rectifier with neat diagram. You have to learn what is rectifier, how the rectifier produces DC output from AC. Working of a full wave bridge rectifier, it is also very important, with filter and without filter analysis. You can see here simple Zener voltage regulator also. Explain, it also came in Zener diode in unit 1. Maybe Zener voltage regulator, how it works. Zener diode and application of Zener diode is voltage regulator is come in unit 2. It is also important how the Zener diode acts as voltage regulator. Explain. What are the rectifier and its types, block diagram of DC power supply, and what are the rectifiers, half wave and full wave. Explain with the neat waveforms. That is also important. With filter and without filter you have to explain. If the question came from bridge rectifier or full wave rectifier, by using 2 diodes, by using 4 diodes, we can construct a full wave bridge rectifier, half wave rectifier. Next is amplifiers. Coming to amplifier, the amplifiers mostly we are using in public addressing system. Public addressing system consists of what are the various parts. Explain block diagram of public addressing system with neat diagram. We are also given in assignment questions. These are block diagram of public addressing system, circuit diagram and working of CE amplifier. It is also experiment also there in lab. CE amplifier, also coupled amplifier. Okay, the main important questions, essay type questions coming to this is rectifiers and power supplies. Concentrate on rectifiers. Full wave, half wave we have to learn. Bridge rectifier also. Next is power supply, DC regulated power supply, how it works, what are the block diagram. Each and every part you have to explain in block diagram of DC power supply, DC regulated power supply or DC RPS. Next is public addressing system, how it works. Block diagram of public addressing system, how it works. Circuit diagram and working of common emitter amplifier. It is also important, amplifier, CE amplifier, which we have an experiment also in lab. The frequency response of CE amplifier also. Next is instrumentation system. Instrumentation system block diagram. What are the parts it consists of? What is meant by instrumentation? Instrumentation is the branch of electronics which deals with the instruments and its controls. Instruments, how to control the instruments, those are block diagram of electronic instrumentation system. It is very important. From these topics, short answers and 10 essay questions may become.